Hi there. In this Clonezy AI review, I'm going to show you a crazy powerful tool that lets you clone, migrate, host, and publish any website in just 3 clicks using the power of AI. That means you can legally steal your competitors' websites, fully customize them, and make them your own, even if you have zero tech or design skills. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades OTOs so you know exactly what you're getting before hitting that buy button. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal from testedapps.com. I'm a 6-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years of experience helping people like you find the best tools to build passive income streams online. So if you're into affiliate marketing, AI tools, or anything that can make your online business easier, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another review. Bonus alert. I've put together some exclusive bonuses if you decide to grab Clonezy AI through my link below. You don't want to miss these, check the description. So, what is Clonezy AI? It's a cloud-based software that allows you to clone any existing website, including all its design, content, images, and digital assets, and then customize and host it with zero monthly fees. Use it to launch your own sites in any niche. Flip websites on Fiverr or Upwork, offer web cloning as a freelance service, or build out your affiliate sites 10 times faster than doing it from scratch. No coding, no hiring expensive developers, and no tech headaches. The built-in AI plus drag and drop editor does all the heavy lifting for you. Honestly, if you've been dreaming of starting an online business, this tool could be your shortcut. How it works. Here's how Clonezy AI works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Paste the URL of any site you want to clone. Step 2. Clonezy copies the design, structure, and content. Step 3. Customize it and hit publish. Your new site is now live on your own domain. That's it. No coding, no design headaches, just plug and play website domination. Okay, let's go over and play a quick demo video explaining this a little bit more.
Have you ever wanted to create your very own top quality website, but didn't know where to start, where to find developers, where to do all of that? What if I told you that you could find a big template such as this one for the Financial Times and then edit it for yourself? With Clonezy, this is now possible. It's as easy as going to the dashboard, creating your very own template, letting Clonezy create the template, downloading, and get sent straight to our editor in Clonezy, where it's all drag and drops, where you can go and edit, for example, this headline here. Welcome to Clonezy. You can go and you can do anything you want with any sort of template. And with integrated AI that will help you write your text, as well as integrated AI image generator with ChatGPT o3 that can create perfect text for you. This is an all-in-one website builder. It helps you find easy templates, it helps you build your dream website, and it helps you publish it. You can either publish it with us, where you'll have your very own URL, or you can export it to your own domain and host your website there. So if I would go ahead right now and save, then that's it. I've updated it here with welcome to Clonezy. I can change all of the images. I can do anything I want within Clonezy to make sure that the website is exactly what I want. And with an unlimited amount of websites that you can create, Clonezy is a no-brainer. Not to mention integrated support and training to make sure that your experience with Clonezy is the best possible. You should check out Clonezy AI right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.
Here are some standout features I really liked. Clone, migrate, and host unlimited websites with no recurring costs. Built-in AI content and image generator. Thousands of ready-to-use professional templates. World-class cybersecurity to keep your site safe. Built-in SEO tools to boost rankings. Detailed analytics, pop-ups, CTAs, and even form builders included, plus a commercial license so you can sell these sites as services. Bonus, 40 plus HTML templates, traffic guides, AI prompt bundles, and more. Let's talk about the OTOs you'll see after purchasing. Front end, $14.97. Use coupon Clonezy2 for $2 off equals $12.97. OTO 1, Unlimited. 17. Remove all limits. Clone and host unlimited sites. OTO 2, DFY. 17. Get done for you websites ready to launch. OTO 3, Agency. 87. Get client access, team licenses and agency kit. OTO 4, PRO. 37. Advanced features, extra customization options. OTO 5, Enterprise. 27. Enhanced speed, hosting, and priority tools. OTO 6, Reseller. 37. Sell Clonezy as your own and keep 100% profit. Pro tip: go for unlimited plus DFY. Perfect combo for creating fast, scalable income streams. What I like about Clonezy AI, here's what stands out to me. It's super beginner friendly. Even if you've never built a site, massive time saver, clone instead of starting from scratch. The no monthly fee hosting alone is worth the price. Perfect for freelancers, affiliate marketers, and digital hustlers. What could be improved now to keep it 100% honest? This isn't meant to replace a full custom-built site by a developer if you're building something complex. But for launching affiliate sites, lead generation pages, portfolios, agency websites, or even flipping sites, Clonezy AI is more than enough. So, if you're looking for an affordable, AI-powered tool that can help you build, host, and profit from websites without the usual tech stress, then Clonezy AI is 100% worth checking out. Hit the link below to grab it now. Use the coupon CLONEZY2 to get $2 off, and don't forget to claim my exclusive bonuses in the description. Thanks for watching my Clonezy AI review. Let me know in the comments. What do you think of Clonezy AI? Will you use it in your business? If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews, money-making tools, and affiliate tips from yours truly, Kamal at testedapps.com. Catch you in the next one.